Spark shit, you know what it is. Huh? Huh? Huh?
What is up sa inyo mga tropa? It's me, your boy Van, back it up again with another vlog. So for today's vlog, season 2 episode 7 to 9 I think, or 7 to 8 whatsoever, kung ano mga episode na nalustra ka kasi something happened last week, but let's just move on and keep on moving forward. You know what it is, man. So ngayon, today is the first day of the second semester in my freshman year. Yeah, this is gonna be the last year ko. Last few months ko na lang sa first year. And yet, still may naiwan pa rin isang subject, but still we can make it up right sooner. When I'm in second year, pwede ko pa siya i-take. So, yeah. So, today, all of you are gonna be with me for the rest of my day. Not for the rest, to be honest. For my... siguro, not all of the time, pero, yeah. So, my schedule for today is... meron akong 10 to 11 or 10 to 12. Then, vacant. Tapos, 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 na siya. Then, 3 to 4 or 3 to 5. So, at 10 to 5 yung schedule ko ngayon. Pero yung pasok ko kasi is MWF and Sunday lang. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday is wala. So, I still have time to comply sa pagiging content creator ko. And then, this is schedule natin every Sunday na 1 p.m. So, yun, ganun pa rin yung schedule natin. 1 p.m. pa rin every Sunday. And I'm gonna try my best to 2 contents every week pa rin. So, I don't know kung anong kasamang content nito. Maybe it's thoughts naman. Maybe it's a vlog again. Hindi natin alam. Pero, yeah, I'm gonna see what's gonna happen this week. And actually, you're gonna be wondering why my hair is short now. So, yeah, that's it. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, hindi natin alam kung anong susunod na contents pagkatapos nito, pero let's see what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna see what's gonna happen first muna. And yeah, ayun, setup ko na nga pala, you know. It's a temporary setup, temporary workplace, because, you know, I don't have any bedroom, my own room, but, oh, it's okay. I can wait. No, I can wait. For how long?
Stop it. Get some help.
I think as long as I am standing in my own 2 feet. Okay. So yeah. So 10 pa talaga yung pasok ko. So the plan is I'm gonna go and take a bath around 6. Around 7 or 6. Then I'm gonna go and prepare my lunch after I took a bath. Then I'm gonna go eat after we go to school. Yeah, I'm gonna go to school early kasi plano ko magtipid. Sana all. So, mag-jeep na lang ako para 10 pesos lang yung pamasahe. So, kasya na yung 20 pesos sa isang araw. No? So, titipid ako. Kaya, magmamaaga tayo sa school. Around 9, around 8:30, alis na ako dito sa bahay. Yeah. So, that's what's gonna happen. Then, yung mga susunod na clip kung nasa school na ako, it's gonna be a voice-over type things na lang. So, yeah. Baka kumukulo na yung tubig ko. So, balik ako sa inyo mamaya. So, yun. I just ate my breakfast. I'm just drinking coffee. Then, I'm gonna take a bath. But, yo, the first thing that I did is prepare my lunch. So, I just cooked my ulam. Just prepared it. And then, nagpalit na rin ako ng bag kasi dun sa mga shoulder bags ko, hindi kasya yung lunch bag ko. Yeah. And you know me, I hate that thing na may dala ka pa bukod sa school bag mo. I hate that shit, man. Gusto ko isang dalahan lang because I'm fucking lazy, dude. I'm a dipshit lazy guy.
Stop it. Get some help.
To be honest, I don't want that thing. Mas gusto ko yung isang dalahan na lang na lahat nasa iisang lalagyan lang. So yeah, I just prepared my lunch. Now I'm just gonna go and take a bath. suit up, and then I'm just gonna wait for a few moments, then I'm gonna go to school. Yeah, actually, I have my favorite in the bag, coffee. Just in case I feel so sleepy, so I would gonna go drink and make a coffee for myself. Kasi 10 to 5, man. 1 to 3 is the time when I always got sleepy. Or sabihin na natin, doon ko nararamdaman yung pagod ng buong araw eh. Sa 1 to 3 na yun eh. Doon ako madalas nakakaramdam ng antok, ng katamaran. Alam mo yun? I don't know why, but yeah. Pero yun, I'm just gonna go and take a bath, then suit up. Balik ako sa inyo later on. Let's go. What's up? I'm suited up, man. Ready for the school, dude. Like, dude, what the hell is this? You know what it is, ka? What the fuck? I'm just kidding, man. So, yeah. Suited up. Finally, 100% ready for a brand new lesson. And syempre, a brand new start. Syempre, talagang panibagong simula to for me. Because, you know, I've been in the bad shit lately. I mean, lately.
What?
Yeah. I've been literally bad shit lately, but someone brings me back to life, so that's why we're gonna go and continue on chasing our dreams and improving ourselves and trying to make ourselves better than I am yesterday. You know, just keep on looking forward, and I'm always, you know, it always have been into my goal na parang ano, keep on discovering, keep on exploring. You know what I'm saying? Syempre, as usual, I am a man with a big dreams, so I need to work hard for it. Just like I said, hold the vision and only trust the process, man. Everything that will come in our way, just fuck it, man. Fuck it, literally. Literally.
Tangina mo, walang ganun. Ha?
Literally, let's just fuck them up, ignore them up, and then let's just keep on chasing our dreams, man. You know, yeah, it's a brand new start for me. Yes, it was a brand new journey, a brand new year, a brand new chapter. So, yeah, all of those peoples that I lost along the way, to the point I am here. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you all, thank you so much. Cause without you, I'm not gonna be this man. Okay? Kung hindi dahil dun sa mga lumisan na tumalis at dun sa mga nawala sa akin, kung hindi dahil sa inyo, I am not this man, man.
Sana all.
You know what I'm saying, cuz? So yeah, later on 9:30 around 9:30 or 9 o'clock, I'm gonna go to school kasi 10 AM talaga yung pasok namin. Start ng klase. First course namin is mathematics in the modern world. So, my weakness, man. But, you know, di pa naman ako bumabagsak sa math. Even though it is my weakness, dude. Yeah. So, I'm gonna see you around in school, man. And the next clips that you're gonna see is literally voiceover na. Kasi I'm too shy to stop. I'm too shy to talk.
Okay.
Just kidding. Voiceover na talaga kasi I don't wanna distract myself. So gusto ko mag-focus talaga sa mga bagay like academics whatsoever. Myself, my little sis, my family, and also my dreams. I just want to focus on that things. Love, it comes the right time, man. Fast mode now for now. But I have someone right now, a friend, to be honest, a friend. But what can we expect to happen, diba? So yeah, I'm gonna see you on school. So around 8:40 AM in the morning, I got into the jeepney and I wait about 2 minutes and the jeep will broom broom. Yeah, like broom broom. Around 9 AM or 9:10 AM in the morning, I got into the campus. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually excited to start this day because, you know, it's a brand new start for me. And around exactly 10 AM in the morning, our first course started, which is mathematics in modern world. To be honest, I understand a little bit, but math is one of my weakness, man. This was our lunch time, to be honest. And yeah, currently in this moment, I feel so tired and I feel the pain because of what happened last week. But I thank my friends because they always been there for me though. When we are waiting for the second subject to start, nakapagkulitan muna ako sa kaibigan kong si Yeye. You know what I'm saying? Kasi it's been a long time na nakasama ko tong mga kupal na to. Like legit, mga kupal but a solid friend. You know what I'm saying? So our second to the last subject started, which is living in 90 era. Actually, I understand a lot of things because I am a techie guy. And this is our last subject, sociology. And yun, ayun yung nangyari sa buong araw ko, which is the first day of the second semester. It was really a brand new start for me because, you know, there's a lot of things happened unexpectedly, but you know what I'm saying? Just like I said earlier, I'm gonna turn that pains into gains. I'm gonna turn that pain into my source of power and keep on chasing my dreams. Keep on improving myself and trying to make myself better than I am yesterday. And yeah, see you guys to the next vlog. Peace out.